Hey guys, I'm Ryan Bass, our media director here for Otter PR, and today we're going to talk about how to use blockchain technology to positively impact your brand. Blockchain was actually first born in 1991, but it was rebirthed and re-energized in 2009 when a little thing called Bitcoin came along and made it much more popular. Now today, blockchain technology is considered the future, and it can positively impact your brand or product. Here's how. So there's two big advantages in terms of blockchain. Number one, it runs on a decentralized network, which basically means for you, that lowers transaction costs. And because those transactions are certified on that ledger, it also reduces infrastructure costs as well. Accepting cryptocurrency is the best way for your brand or business to embrace the new blockchain technology here in 2022. We're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies that can be alternatives to the traditional forms of payment. And one of the biggest benefits of you accepting these cryptocurrencies is to lower those transaction fees. You know that. Anytime you use a credit card on your website, you get charged maybe a 3% fee. In this blockchain space, that charge doesn't exist. The transaction, it significantly reduces those transaction fees. Security really is the backbone and the DNA of this blockchain technology. It creates a safe space where you can instantly access data, but it protects it from all those hackers out there. You might have also heard of NFTs. Those have boomed in popularity over the last year. Those are also in the same sort of crypto type family here, but it's really easy to understand. NFTs use technology to create digital representations of their work. And some of the biggest brands in the world are creating NFTs to be sold and used. We're talking Taco Bell, Coca-Cola, Ray-Ban, Gucci. Some of the biggest brands in the world are embracing the NFT community to make sure that they can capitalize on this new wave of technology in 2022. Let's take the National Basketball Association, for example. They created the NBA's Top Shot, which is basically a digitized version of highlights that raised more than $700 million in sales in just 1 year alone. Thanks to the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency and these new NFTs, this blockchain network is so secure, and it's the future of transactions for all businesses here in America. And I'll tell you what, you need PR if you're getting into the crypto space as well, and there's no better PR agency to turn to than Otter PR to help tell that story and share how you are morphing your business into the crypto age here in 2022.